So open any browser. First guys, go to HP officially website. So www.hp.com. Then click to support, and then click to software and download. Scroll down, click to printer. Then guys, type HP Smart Tank 790 series. By default detect Windows 11, Windows 10. So if you are using different, so click to choose or OS. So you can see Windows 11, 10, 8, 8.1 and 7 also there. Then update. You can see the multiple drivers it is showing here. So first this is update. Okay, QRT. This is for the troubleshoot, and this is the printer firmware. You can see keep your printer driver and latest. So this is your firmware. If you have to update, so you can download it. This is guys scanners necessary, so you can. This is also a scanner. This is diagnostics. You in your printer some issues, so you can scan and troubleshoot it. So this is driver. So guys, this is for require internet connections. Okay, so just single click to download. Open this, click to setup. Now this is extracting data to your system. Then click to yes, HP installer. So you can see this welcome screen of your driver. Accept all. Then guys, click to continue. You can see this is printer plug on, and like connect to electricity board to your printer, and also connect to by USB printer USB to your system. You can see three type to install: new and reset existing. If you are printer already install your network and your office, so you can select this. Okay, and by USB, so you can just select this. If you connect to this one by cable, so select that. After that, connect to USB cable to your printer to your laptop. Okay, you can see this, and then connect this. Wait few seconds, it will connect automatically. That means process will start, and then next to install it. If you are to install by print by IP, so select this, and also you can search the IP. Okay, you enter, very well your printer IP, so you can type it and then click. After that, hit show to your printer, and then next to install it. This is so easy. Thank you. And this is also, you can see, you have to know new install. Select this wireless and wire, which is you require to install it. Okay, so second and third method, you can see same, you can follow this steps. Okay, if you are select this wireless, so you have to connect to Wi-Fi to your printer. Okay, and then click to continue. After that, you wire, so you have to connect to printer and like that. Okay, this is internet cable, and connect to, this is LAN port. This is LAN port icon. Okay, ether port, you can see here.